Got that frame weld looking a lot better, and it's cut the length. How about that? All right, y'all, as you can see, I got the frame repair finished. When I was a kid, I popped a wheelie on this thing and it kind of got out from underneath me and tore the frame all up and broke this piece off and ripped the fender off, and it's been like that ever since. But as a part of the rebuild, I wanted to weld a new piece on there so I could remount that rear fender. So I got that done. I got the weld all grinded. As you can see, it's nice and pretty now. So let's paint it real quick. Come on. Oh yeah, make it drip. Make it drip, baby, make it drip. Am I missing any spots? It's running a little bit, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's getting covered with a fender. Looks good to me.